habang papalapit na, no? Talagang salamat kami sa tulong ninyo sa pinakamahalagang gawain sinagawa sa pagpapayak na punuin ni Yehova ang puso ninyo ng kagalakan at kapayapaan dahil wala kayo sa Kanya espiritual na paglalakbay. Pakisuyong tanggapin ang aming naitik na Kristiyanong pag-ibig at pagmamahal. Ang inyong
mga kapatid, yung branch office.
Congregations, minimum age for appointment of ministerial servants and elders. Effective immediately, a baptized brother must be at least 80 years of age to be appointed as a ministerial servant. A baptized brother must be at least 21 years of age to be appointed as an elder. If a brother is already serving as a ministerial servant or as an elder but is younger than the minimum age, he can continue to serve. For congregations, application to expand your democratic service, A-2. Effective immediately, the minimum age applied to assist in democratic construction projects, maintenance projects, or disaster relief work within the vicinity of one's local congregation using the application to expand your democratic service is adjusted from 17 years of age to 18 years of age. The Ahamico allows that baptized and unbaptized exemplary publishers who are 15 to 17 years of age may accompany their parent or legal guardian who has been invited to assist with such work if the work overseer approves and it is legally permissible. Of course, children of any age may accompany their parent or legal guardian in cleaning and maintaining their own income. We warmly encourage all you dear young ones to take advantage of the arrangements available to expand your democratic service. Not only will you gain valuable skills and experience, but you will also have the privilege of working alongside fellow believers to share your faith and dedication. This will help you develop a spirit of responsibility and love for Jehovah's organization. Workbook for lessons you can learn from the Bible. We are happy to inform you that a new workbook created for note-taking while viewing the science videos of learning from the Bible will soon be available. The format of the pages will be similar to the current sheets for the Watchtower and the Life and History Meeting workbook. The publication has been designed so that the same workbook can be used by all sign language globally. The workbook will be available online as a downloadable PDF. It will also be printed as a 108-page. Potential food shortage. Jehovah lovingly warned us that there would be food shortage in the last days. In recent times, many countries have experienced an increase in the cost of food and farming supplies or shortage of food supplies due to disasters. What practical steps can you take to prepare for the food shortage? All of us are encouraged to maintain a simple lifestyle and to have a reasonable supply of non-perishable food to help sustain us in times of need. Reports show that many publishers have taken these steps and that they are quick to share their provisions with others. In recent typhoons here in the Philippines, many local brothers have donated food supplies through the appointed disasters relief committees.